Cloud-based simplicity meets business class performance with LifeSize Connections. LifeSize Connections is a cloud-based business class HD video collaboration platform that allows you to instantly add and extend HD video collaboration across your business, enabling secure, immersive communications between meeting rooms and desktops through an intuitive cloud-based platform that's amazingly simple to deploy. Let's take a look at how LifeSize Connections can accelerate productivity in your organization. Getting started with LifeSize Connections is a simple three-step process that takes just minutes. When your IT administrator assigns you an account, you will receive an email with instructions for downloading and installing the LifeSize Connections client on your computer. Your login information will also be included in this email. After you have downloaded and installed the LifeSize Connections client, simply log in with the credentials provided. The first time you log into LifeSize Connections, you will see the default view of the contact list. However, this list will be empty by default. To add people to your contact list, simply locate them in the directory and click the Add to Contacts icon next to their name. You'll notice that the entire user interface for LifeSize Connections is simple and intuitive. The entire UI is single-click enabled, and there are tooltips throughout. Once you've added people to your contact list, the presence-based system will let you know when they are online and available. Now that you've established your account and added contacts to your contacts list, you're ready to begin using LifeSize Connections and all of its rich collaboration features. With LifeSize Connections, making a video call has never been easier. One of the first features you'll notice with LifeSize Connections is the high quality of your video call, which is delivered at 720p30. Connections' adaptive bitrate control technology ensures the highest quality video available for your given connection, providing the best frame rate and resolution combination. In addition to video calls, you can also make voice calls and send chat messages using LifeSize Connections as well. If you prefer to make a voice call, simply click the voice call icon next to the person you wish to call. And you can send an instant message to anyone, anytime, whether you're on a call or just want to make contact via chat. Once again, a single click on the chat icon next to your contact's name opens the chat window and you're ready to type your message. LifeSize Connections also gives you the power to connect with several people at once using multi-party calling. Even remote users on Macs or PCs can connect to these multi-party calls, including video endpoints. There are two easy ways to place multi-party calls in the LifeSize Connections client. First, you can create a conference by adding multiple people to a list and placing the call to everyone at the same time. Simply click the conference icon in the upper right corner and start adding members to your conference list. Alternatively, if you want to add additional callers to a call already in progress, you can simply click the plus icon next to their name and they will be conferenced into your existing call. And let's not forget about one of the most important aspects of any good conference call, data sharing. With LifeSize Connections, you can share data from your entire desktop or a single application window with everyone on the call. One of the most exciting features of LifeSize Connections is the ability to invite a guest to collaborate over video. Whether it's a customer or a supplier, you can invite anyone to Connections and begin a video call in just minutes. It's free for your guest, and once your guest has accepted your invitation, he or she will remain your guest and you can collaborate with them anytime. However, your guest will only be able to connect with you via the guest invitation. To invite a guest to LifeSize Connections, simply enter their name and email address into the guest invitation box and click the Invite button. Now let's take a look at the administrative console for LifeSize Connections. Broadly deploying video collaboration across the organization used to take days. Now it takes just minutes with LifeSize Connections. Cloud-based automatic provisioning enables IT administrators to instantly enable individual users and meeting rooms. And Connections provides full administrative control as well, including bandwidth management and rich reporting capabilities. With LifeSize Connections, you can create single users manually or import a list of users. To create a single user, you simply need to know their name and email address and enter the information into the fields provided. To create multiple user accounts at once, simply import a CSV file containing the names and email addresses of the designated users. After the user accounts have been set up, the new users will receive an email with their login credentials and a link to download the LifeSize Connections client. It will take your new users just seconds to download and install Connections and begin video collaboration. Similar to setting up user accounts, there are two ways to set up a meeting room account. You can either create one room at a time, or you can create multiple room accounts using a CSV file import containing serial numbers of the endpoints to be assigned to the room accounts. When using a serial number to provision a meeting room account, you will also need to provide a descriptive name for the account, such as boardroom or conference room. In the Endpoint Setup Wizard, you simply need to enable connections with one click. This is the recommended way to provision meeting rooms. You can also set up a meeting room account without a serial number. When the serial number for a meeting room endpoint is unknown, a user ID and registration key can be generated within the admin console. The user ID and registration key can then be provided to the on-site IT member setting up the endpoint account. With LifeSize connections, you have complete administrative control, including managing bandwidth. Connections has default bandwidth settings for all users. However, user accounts and meeting room endpoints can be managed individually to maintain the appropriate bandwidth settings for your IT network. Whether you are new to video collaboration or are looking for a simple and powerful solution to extend video collaboration across your organization with minimal upfront expense and IT involvement, LifeSize Connections is simply the most powerful solution available. LifeSize Connections Video Collaboration. It's amazingly simple and simply amazing.